Joining us. The names of two law enforcement officers who shot and killed 26-year-old John Jaquez last week have been released.
Now, the investigation shows the two officers fired the deadly shots. One has been with the Pueblo Police Department for 15 years. The other has been with the Sheriff's Office for 3.5 years. The shooting happened on the city's east side at the Loaf and Jug at 4th and Troy.
KRDO News Channel 13's Jonathan Petramala is live in Pueblo with more on this investigation.
Investigators were looking for Jaquez to question him in an assault. When they found him at this Loaf and Jug, they say he was in a stolen car and wouldn't get out.
Shot fired.
Radio traffic of the hectic moments just after an officer-involved shooting in Pueblo. Seconds later, you can even hear someone in the background screaming in pain.
We have shots fired. 4th and Troy at the Loaf and Jug. Go in there and make notifications. Send rescue.
26-year-old John Jaquez died at the scene after being shot multiple times by Pueblo police officer Michael Cincerbox and Pueblo County Sheriff's Office Detective Michael Hecht.
They said, "Get out of the car, it's Pueblo PD, get out of the car."
Witnesses saw officers trying to get Jaquez to surrender. Investigators say instead, Jaquez accelerated forward, striking two officers, then reversing into a police vehicle.
And then all of a sudden they opened fire, and there was like, I think about 7 to 8 shots.
It's the first officer-involved shooting for the Pueblo County Sheriff's Office so far this year, but the third for the Pueblo Police Department. Earlier this year, Pueblo Police Chief Luis Velez talked with KRDO about his department having nearly double the amount of officer-involved shootings than Colorado Springs since 2010.
I don't have any sense at all that our officers are in any way trigger happy. The reality is that they're being placed into these situations where individuals are forcing their actions.
It is still under investigation if this is another one of those situations where deadly force was required. And the two officers in this case remain on paid administrative leave pending this investigation. As for the other two officer-involved shootings in Pueblo earlier this year, both of those have been cleared as justified. Live in Pueblo, Jonathan Petramala, KRDO News Channel 13.
Jonathan, thanks so much. And also tonight, we are tracking new information regarding